bonus unboxing of my charcuterie board. I almost said cute, y'all. Okay, this is the bonus. And you know why I call it the bonus? Because when I was getting ready to put the board up, guess what, y'all? I turned it over and look. What you see there? A cutting board. It's a cutting board. Y'all see? Now y'all see the ridges here? The ridges here is for example, you're cutting your meats, your steaks, what have you, or your seafood, that juice is running down. Oh yes, okay. So you could use this on either side, okay? Yes. So it's a cutting board and a charcuterie board. See that? You eat off one side. As a matter of fact, you can eat off either side. You can eat off either side. Now those ridges, these ridges here, this is for when you're having something juicy, so that juice can run. And I think that's a very good detail right there. There's boards that don't have that ridge there, but this is a very, I love this. So you can catch those juices. Yes. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in to the exclusive part 2, the second edition. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos.